Hello everyone, I'm Wiloxe and welcome here. Today I will cover an FAQ frequently asked question about my how to fix hamachi video, which a lot of people have apparently had this issue, and a lot of the people have actually fixed this issue thanks to that video. And for those of you who still has this issue, might have either different issue or done it incorrectly or something completely else. So I want to cover an FAQ for this that I get a lot. So instead of just typing for every single people who has this issue, I'm just gonna make a video about it, so everyone knows about it. First of all, the most important one, make sure you download the installer from the website, because there are other websites that releases the installer which has some completely weird installation methods and completely wrong. So make sure you go to the correct website, you download it, and you run the installation. Just gotta give this a little bit of time. Alright. And of course I've got to do that to it for work. So we have to run, make sure you run the installer from the correct one. So I'm just gonna select English, run this installation, because I haven't installed Hamachi on my computer. So yeah, I'm just gonna run this installation quickly here. Alright, so I have Hamachi here, I could turn it on and such, so I just want this to install when I'm covering the most of the FAQs. So let me get up the list and I'll show you the frequently asked question list that I get a lot, and I'll talk about them. So starting off with frequently asked question number 1. Question: it doesn't work. And I have a simpler answer for that. Sorry, what? Just saying it doesn't work will not allow me to help you, because there's no information for me to help you with it. I need information about your issue in order to reply for you to whatever you have to do in order to fix your issue. As I love troubleshooting problems of other applications or softwares of such that has issues to fix them. However, this is the one thing that I get so much I just don't know. As of that, you must provide information about the issue. So you're saying doesn't work, won't allow me to help you. You have to post information about your problem and what you're having, what issue you're having. If you don't know what the problem, I won't be able to fix it. So remember that. Now, frequently asked question 2. The question is, I can't find the code, or the code showed me isn't there. First, the keys of course don't look the same, because you have different keys as me. So what you should supposed to be is just close this all here, and we're just gonna go into computer, file, find, and then we search Hamachi. Just gonna search your registry, and it takes me to this key. Now, do you see this here? It's like really transparent. It's really hard to see for some people. However, when you go here, and sometimes if you just, yeah, you see there. Sometimes it's gray if you have it selected here, or sometimes it's blue if you click here. However, if you accidentally click on some other keys, it will get unselected. Remember that. So this is the key that you so have the issue about, and remember that definitely is different. As you can see, all this here is all kind of different application of different programs that you so have. So keep that in mind. And that goes also the key you should, or I can find the code. At first the keys don't look fine, same and such, and I don't get any file highlighted. So if it took you to the key but there's nothing there, there might be two things. One, it might not be there. You might be able to see it because it's quite hard to see, you have to look real closely, or you might have clicked on different keys, such as like that. Oops, that's no longer highlighted, or something like that. So that could also be it. Also, a different bonus information about is, if it doesn't take you to any key, make sure you have typed in the correct code. And also, if you're on Windows 8, it's definitely a different kind of search you have to type in. As of here, come on, come on, there we go. I just screwed up there, sorry. Let's just do it there. Fine, that's what I'm supposed to do. Derp. Alright, so what you have to do is log me in hamachi. That's what you have to search for, and we'll take it there. You have to search that for Windows 8, or it won't you take to the correct place. Just keep that in mind. It's just a basic thing. So that covers most of the things. And remember, the frequently asked question 1 is probably the main reason why I made this. Also the highlighted one, because yeah. But if you didn't get anything is showed up here at all, if you don't get to the key no matter how much you search, it might be two things. It might be have installed incorrectly, or you have either a different operating system. So if it's not Windows, I'm sorry, I'm not able to help you no matter what. It's only for Windows. At least what I think of. I've never played around with like kind of different kind of operating systems or such. Since I'm mainly a Windows user and Linux, those two, but I never install hamachi on Linux. So yeah. So that covers that, and that is all of it. Also remember to if this was any to help, hit the like button, and if it didn't help you, before you hit the dislike button, post your issue in the comments. So if I can't fix it, just hit the dislike button if you think it's even worth. But you do whatever you want. So yeah, just keep these 3 things in mind. And if I was able to fix your issue, I will probably see how often I get these kind of answers. I'll make probably another FAQ video about more of these questions I get, but this will fix of the most of the questions I so get. So nothing more to say. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to have any more kind of like troubleshooting videos, getting kind of like directly on your YouTube, just hit the subscribe button down there. It both encouraged me to make more videos and such. And if you think this was helpful, hit the like button. If you think it was not helpful and I was not able to fix your issue, just hit the dislike button, so I will see if it gives me an understanding of what really you guys need and want, because I'm here to fix issues that you have. So